Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Copy AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Copy AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address copy.ai, and after that hit on enter. And over here guys, on the search result of Google, you can see we can see the Copy AI at the top of the list, or the first result. Click over there, and over here guys, in order to log in from the home page of the Copy AI, at the top right corner of the screen, let's go this, you can see the login button available as well as the get started button available. Let's click on the login button first. And over here guys, you can see there are two types of login. One is an automated login over here, which is the continue with Google and continue with Facebook, or you can go for a manual login from over here. To do that, enter your email address first, and that being done guys, before we sign in manually, let's go to the automated login. That is, if you click on either of these buttons, or either on the Google or the Facebook, continue with Facebook or Google, or login page to your Google or your Facebook account will open. And if you sign into your respective account, you'll be logged into your Copy AI account with your Google or your Facebook account. And with that being said guys, over here, after you have entered your email address, it says here will email you a magic code for a password free registration. Click on continue, and a code will be sent to you on this email. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter that code. And if you enter, and after you enter that code, you'll be signed into your Copy AI account online on your computer. And there, this is how you log into your Copy AI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.